Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, in order for you to do that, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go over to the effects over here. And from here on the effects guys, just simply search over here, echo. And now from here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here under time, the echo effect. So just simply click and drag it into your video. And from here, you'll be able to add the motion blur. And as you can see, when we play on it, it will have a motion blur effect. And guys, from here, when you go to the effects control, you should be able to see here the echo tab. So just click on here, echo. And from here, I recommend the echo operator as a screen. And from here, guys, I also recommend the echo time is a positive number. So instead of negative, make it a positive, and just simply play around with it a little bit in order for you to make the motion blur effect. And as you can see, we have the motion blur, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.